Hello everyone, welcome to MEVBotForSale.com. In this video, we'll be talking about how to build a smart contract bot and deploy our contracts. Visit remix.ethereum.org compiler, a Remix web application that allows us to develop, deploy, compile, and launch smart contracts code in the Solidity language. Visit the Remix website and head over to the left sidebar and create a new file named uniswapbot.sol. Now copy and paste the code you purchased from our website. This is our front runner bot contract that we're going to deploy. A couple of things to look at after pasting the code are line 55 and 56. If you check the addresses on Etherscan, you'll see that these are the addresses of wrapped Ether tokens. Okay, so you can see it's the official wrapped Ether address. It's always a good idea to check that. Now back to Remix. Our bot file is ready. Let's compile it. On the side menu, click Solidity Compiler. As you can see, the contract is built for the 0.6.6 version of Solidity. Under compiler, select the version 0.6.6, so it'll match our contract. Click on compilebot.sol and wait for the bot to compile, and we will deploy this to our wallet. Head on over to Deploy and Run Transactions on Remix. Under the environment, select Injected Web3 to connect Remix to our MetaMask. Finally, make sure uniswapbot.sol is selected under Contract. The deployment utility is ready. Click the Deploy button to publish our contract to the Ethereum blockchain. We need to confirm the creation of our contract by paying some gas fees. I always set gas fees to high so it'll speed up the transactions. There's not a lot of difference, but click Confirm and wait for the transaction to be mined. Transaction confirmed. Now our contract is deployed. So as you can see here, there are 4 actions for a contract. The Start button will start the bot sniffing the mempool. Withdrawal will stop the bot and transfer funds back to your wallet. Owner, which returns the owner of the contract, and Stops will stop the bot from sniffing the mempool. So let's copy the contract address and make sure it was created. Head back to Etherscan and paste it. Okay, it says it was successfully created, so the next step is to fund our contract with some ethers to be able to snipe liquidity pools. I'm going to copy this address and head back over to my MetaMask. Now make sure you've copied the right address. You can fund the contract with whatever amount you want, but obviously, the more you put in, the larger the transaction you'll be able to front run and the more profit you'll be able to accumulate over time. So for instance, let's say you're only front-running with 0.5 ethers, you won't be able to create as much slippage in the price as if you were inserting something like 10 ethers. Sweet, there we go. Okay, so the transaction confirmed, and the contract is funded. We can check that by following our contract address on etherscan.io. As you can see, our contract has 1 Ethereum on its balance, which is basically the amount we funded it with. The last step is to click Start. This will enable the bot to start sniffing the mempool to find different liquidity pairs in order for you to front-run the transactions. I'll see you guys in a couple of hours. Well guys, I want to share the profit the bot made for me, so I have something around 1.17 Ether, which is around 17%. You can see the transaction that is bot made in the Internal Transactions tab. As you can see, here are the front-run transactions that are bot made over the 10 hours. There are a total of 7 transactions. Now if we calculate the sum profit minus the gas fees, we get exactly 0.17 Ethereum. Let's give it some more time. Alright, guys, let's see how much more we made. Oh, it's about 1.37 Ether, so basically, it took me about a day to gain my deposit by more than a third. Something close to 40%, which isn't that bad. So the bot will continue to run until you press the withdrawal button. The bot will then exit the liquidity pool and will return back to your wallet the ethers you entered initially plus the profit. So let's click it. This will charge us a little bit of gas. I'll set it to high again, and then we click Confirm. There we go, the transactions confirmed. Let's go to our MetaMask to check. As you can see, the balance from the bot is now in my wallet. We offer various bots, each equipped with distinct strategies and price points. Thus, your profit is contingent upon your investment. Certain bots have been generating over 100 Ethereum within a 24-hour period. Thank you for watching.